An older air handling unit may be in good condition, but replacing it can be surprisingly profitable. Today we will look at how easy it is to calculate energy savings and payback time for the replacement of a unit from the 90s.
We'd like to calculate the energy saving and payback time for replacing this unit.
It still looks to be in good condition, but since it's over 20 years old, we know there are way more efficient units today. To be able to calculate this, I need some more information from you. What is the airflow?
Well, it's 20,000 cubic meters per hour.
Here we see they're belt-driven fans, and the SFP value at that time used to be around 3.5. We have a heat exchanger with around 40% efficiency.
In the 90s, plate heat exchangers or run-around coils were most often used as heat recovery units. At the time of installation, the temperature efficiency was around 50%, and after more than 20 years of operation, it may have been reduced to around 40%.
What are the operating hours?
It's 3,500 hours per year.
Here in IV Product Designer, we can calculate the new unit, and we can make an investment calculation that will show the energy saving and the payback for this project. In this project, an Envistar Flex unit is suitable. Like we said, the airflow is 20,000 cubic meters per hour. Is 250 Pascal on the supply and extract air and 50 Pascal on the outdoor and the exhaust air okay?
Oh, sure, that's good.
Let's move on to the building of the unit. We select a rotary heat exchanger, which is the most efficient recovery unit. The cooling unit will also be replaced, and we recommend that we integrate it into the air handling unit. In this case, a thermocooler HP fits well.
The reversible heat pump thermocooler HP can be integrated into IV Products' Envistar Top and Envistar Flex units. It functions as a heat pump in the winter and a cooling unit in the summer.
We will select the size that is appropriate for the duty. We select a rotary heat exchanger with a temperature efficiency of 82.6%. The SFP value for the fans is 1.63. Okay, the calculation of the unit is ready and standard controls have been selected. Let's move on to the Energy tab and select Investment Calculation. Here we enter the yearly average temperature and the air handling unit's running time. What energy price should we fill in for electricity and additional heating?
Well, make it 15 cents for electricity and 8 cents for heating.
The air handling unit costs about 85,000 euros. Could you give me an estimate on the installation cost?
I've given it some thought, so I would say about 30,000 euros.
Let's enter the total here, 115,000 euros. The new unit will reduce maintenance cost. How much do you estimate that we will save?
There will be reduced cost both when it comes to service and repairs. So I would say at least 1,500 euros a year.
The life expectancy is set to 20 years. So we enter 30,000 euros here. We expect an annual price increase for electricity and heating of 3%. Here we enter the airflow for the existing unit. And the efficiency for the existing unit is 40%. For units from the 90s, the SFP value is usually about 3.5. We also take the opportunity to calculate how the property value will be affected. Here we will fill in the expected return. And if we know the ventilated area, we can enter it here. Now let's calculate. Here we can see the temperatures and airflows. The SFP value is reduced from 3.5 to 1.63. The temperature efficiency increases from 40 to 87.8%. The rotary heat exchanger is at 82.6%, but together with the heat pump in Thermocooler HP, the total is 87.8%. The energy use of the fans is reduced from around 68,000 to 32,000 kilowatt hours. Previously, 104,000 kilowatt hours was needed for additional heating. Now, 3,100 kilowatt hours, which we provide the heat pump with, is sufficient. In total, we reduce the energy use from 172,000 to 35,000 kilowatt hours, which equals a saving of 137,000 kilowatt hours per year. In this project, this corresponds to 62 kilowatt hours per square meter and year. There will be a big environmental saving, but how about the economic factors? Here we see the energy price and the expected annual increase. The investment was 115,000 euros, and we estimated the maintenance cost to be 30,000 euros over 20 years. The total saving is 287,000 euros over 20 years. The payback time is 5.9 years and the return on investment is over 15%. Here is the property value calculation. A saving of approximately 13,000 euros and expected return of 8% result in a property value increase of 166,000 euros.
I will now make an accurate quote for my customer and attach the investment calculation with energy saving and payback time.
That sounds good. As we have shown, it is quick and easy to calculate the energy saving and payback time for replacing an older air handling unit. And many times we see savings this big. Do you have any ongoing projects? Feel free to contact us and we will help you out.